दोस्तों हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि जब भी हम नए वीडियोस डालें आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए।
So in this video, I will discuss the puzzle question asked in Infosys on 21st November 2021, first shift 10 a.m. This is part 1 of the video in which I will discuss few questions, and in part 2 I will discuss the rest of the questions. So basically it was for 2021 batch of campus. So for question number 1, the logic here is, if we consider the row 1 and if we multiply the number given in column 1 and column 2, then we will get a number for which the corresponding alphabet character is given. So considering the row 1, if we multiply the number given in column 1 and column 2, which is 21 and 2 by 3, we will get 14, and for 14 the corresponding alphabet code is N. We can see here that we can remember by using this EJOTY. For E it is 5, J 10. Similarly, so for N it will be 14. Similarly, if we look at the second row and multiply 32 and 3 by 4, we will get 24, and the corresponding code for 24 is X. So for the third row, if we multiply 24 and 5 by 8, we will get 15, and for 15 the corresponding code is O. So for question 1, the answer is O, option D. For the next question, if we look at the row 1, we will see that the number given is 26, 28, 30 and 32. So each number is increment by 2, or we can say that there is a common difference of 2 in row 1. Similarly, if we consider the second row, it is X, then 33, 37, 41. So here the difference between the two numbers is 4. So if we consider X should be 33 minus 4, which should be 29. So it should be 29, 33. So there is a difference of 4. Similarly, for the third row, the difference is common difference is 6. Similarly, for the fourth row, the series is 35, Y 51 and 59. So here the difference is 8. So Y will be 35 plus 8, which is 43. So X is 29 and Y is 43. So for this, answer is option D. Now considering the next puzzle, if considering row 1, if we multiply the number given in column 1 and multiply the number given in column 1 and column 3 and subtract the number given in column 3, then we will get the number given in column 2. So considering the first row, if we multiply 4 and 3 and subtract 3 from it, we will get 12 minus 3, which is 9, which is given in column 2. Considering the row 2, if we multiply the number given in column 1, which is 7, and column 3, which is 1, and subtract 1 from it, we will get the number that is we have to find, so it will be 6. Similarly, for the third row, if we multiply 2 and 5 and subtract 5 from it, we will get 5. So for this, answer is option C, which is 6. For the next question, we have been given two sets of which is related as the first set. So for the first set, we have been given 2 f and corresponding to 8 and x. If we multiply 2 with 3, we will get 6, and for 6 the corresponding alphabet is F. Similarly, for 8, if we multiply 8 with 3, we will get 24, and the code for 24 it will be X. Similarly, for considering the second set, if we multiply 7 with 3, which is 21, which is the code for U. So For 5, it will be multiplied, when multiplied by 3, it will be 15. So the code for it will be O. So for this, answer is option D, O. For the next question, if we consider the row 1 and if we multiply the corresponding numeric code for the alphabet, for C it is 3 and for H it is 8, and if we divide it by 2, then we will get the code number for the middle column, that is second. That is, if we multiply the corresponding code for the column 1 and column 3 and divide it by 2, then we will get our corresponding result in the second column. So for second row, if we multiply J, for J the code is 10 and B it is 2, and if we divide it by 2, it will be 10. So for this, the answer is J, which is option A. For the next question, if we consider column 1, we will see a series which is A, C, E, G. So for this, there is a difference for A, then there is a difference of 1. Like there is an increment of 1 in this series. Like for A, then B is not there C, then D is not there E, then F is not there G. Similarly, if we consider the second column, it is I, then 1, which we have found what is 1, M and O. So it will be I, then plus 1, it will be K. So here 1 is K, and if we consider the column 3, it is Q, S, U, 2. So for Q, then R is escaped, and plus 1 it is S, then plus 1 it will be U, and U plus 1 it will be W. So 1 is K and 2 is W. So for this, answer is option C. For the next question, if we uh, add the corresponding numeric code for the given character which is given in column 1, we will get the corresponding result in the column third. Here the second column is of no use. So if we add D, the code for numeric code for D is 4 and for B it is 2. If we add it, 4 plus 2, it will be 6, which is given in the third column. Similarly, if we can look at the rows 2, K and G. For K it is 11 and G it is 7. So 11 plus 7 it is 18. So Z and X, for Z it is 26 and for X it is 24. So 26 plus 24 it will be 50. So for this, answer is option B.